Ha? There, hello. The ugly sisters are here. Joke lang. Dali, oh. So, this is it. We've got free, may libreng water, pero sparkling. That's my rose pa, ay. Yes. And then there, kinuha, actually may option na yung dalawang bed. Ito na akong pili. Kay, better, I think. And then, see, may computer still. I can work.
Super good. So
you
came here for work.
My screen, I can work here. What the? And then look at the view. Look at the view. There. Wow, amazing. So this is ang binayaran ko ay 205 euros. So okay na. 205 euros. Bit kay this is Switzerland. It's expensive. So and this is not a hotel, an apartment, kaya walang tax. Usually may tax pa na 5 euros per night.
So this is net.
Net na 205. Dati naghotel ako sa Geneva, may 5. Nagbayad ako 15 pound, 15
euro,
15 francs. So that's it for the hotel. So guys, this is the apartment where we're staying. May kitchen dyan. At saka may vending machine. Kitchen in eh? Ah, yes. There. And my dining. And over there. Tara na.
Hola.
Hola. Say hola.
Hola. I'm the hip hopper.
Rapper. Ayaw meron. And para makatipid kami. Actually, di para makatipid, mag-ano kami, mag-grocery kami kay, ano nga na to? Because we're hungry. Ay, wala pa ako ng transfer card. Wala ngayon ako, wala akong pera. Food. Dito kami bibili. Yan. Ito yung kininit ko. Parang kami sa supermarket. Tapos, dan isa kong sister naghahanap ng, nagtitingin ng chocolate. And yung isa kong sister na wala na sa kape. So yan yung ngayon nila dito sa sa shop nila because it's almost Easter Sunday next week. So yan. Here you are. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Hello, we are in Switzerland and we're going to Appenzell from St. Gallen. You see the view, very beautiful. Yes, I will show you around. The Alps. Kung hindi ako tama rin, tapusin ang vlog. Pero grabe, it's so amazing.
It's so worth it also.
So worth it, all the money in the world.
Sabay-sabay kaming nagsasabing, wow!
So you better come here and spend all your money so we're all broke. Not just us, you too. You broke. We broke, you broke.
At least you enjoy your life.
Yan yung view namin from St. Gallen na train. You see the mountains over there. Hindi siya masyadong kita ng camera pero
It's really beautiful.
para siyang dream come. Para siyang dito to. Pero totoo siya. So, kahit mahal siya, worth it naman siguro. Lalo na para sa atin na wala tayong ganito sa Pilipinas. Actually, maganda talaga yung mountain. The shape of the mountain is spectacular. So, you see? See the mountains? Mountain over there. So, bakit hindi siya masyado?
May swimming pool.
Mayaman. Bayan resort. Parang resort to resort. Ay, okay nga daw. Pero pag swimming kita, ano ngaran nga daw? Next time, let's stay there.
Picturing natin.
Baka thermal. Ito ito ano? Location.
Tapos, hindi yung pagod view. Mga buka.
Tapos the view is there. There.
Oh, magbibigture kita mga dubig ko tapos.
Oh, meron siya na no, parang
Bangin ito ang hot
lentik
na ano na.
Nächste Haltestelle,
Gubsisstrassen. Ay, look at the animals. Wow, amazing. So guys, yun ang stopover. Tapos, that place, para siyang ano, how do you see it? Painting, pero it's really true.
Para siyang nasa computer.
Sa computer, yung tawag na screen saver. It's very beautiful. So guys, if you wanna be broke like us, travel the world, but you have traveled the world, di ba? Wala kaming kayamanan, walang bahay, may bahay, malit na bahay, pwede na yun.
But may memories ka.
Pero meron kang pictures,
Daughters
1,000,
and grandson that, I have traveled that place.
and to get depressed. Kasi nakita mo before, kaya mo palang puntahan. Pero ngayon hindi na.
Hindi, memory.
So you work again, to travel again, to be broke again, and to get depressed. It's a cycle of life.
No, it's a memory bank.
Yes.
Memory bank in a nice way, guys.
See the beautiful view, beautiful. Ang ganda-ganda. I mean, behind this building, ano na siya, parang isang maliit na building, bukid. So you mentioned that waking up here, and then you go walk to the forest, or the woods. Di pa naman siya forest, na woods lang. So you walk to the woods in the morning, and
You have all the fresh air.
all the fresh air in the world. And then, you know, your country is the richest, one of the richest in the world. So, what to think about life? Nothing. Just enjoy the nature. So, we come here to
It's very
imagine their
simple.
life. Yeah.
No? Napakasimple nila. Kahit na mayaman. Sobrang yaman nila.
Kahit nga yung may-ari ng hotel namin, nagtatrabaho pa rin.
Siya yung nag-basic ng ano.
Siya nagpuskus na toilet despite being the owner. Siya yung may-ari. Naglinis. So, I think they're like,
Ang pogi pa. O, pwede rin maintindihan ni Biden.
Maintindihan mo ni Biden.
we'll show you. I'll show you around. Kasi, ang ganda-ganda ng nakikita ko at sana nakikita nyo rin. Do you see that? Pero I don't know why. See? Wow, the mountain. There you are. Look at that. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, you see that? Yan yung view nyo. From the... Kaya madaming siguro ano. Yan na yan. Look at that. You see? That's yan. It's amazing. From the train lang to. So guys, nawawala kami.
Yes, I've been here. It was 6 years ago.
So we don't know. Andito na kami sa Apenso. And here they are. Naghanap kami ng kung saan kami pupunta.
Naghanap kami ng toilet.
Naghanap first toilet. Second is yung way papunta sa hiking. Yung ano na to pala yung purpose namin ba't kami pumunta ng Switzerland is para mag-hike. Literally. So we are here now. This is our second day. Third day ko na pala. Sila second day. Kasi yesterday sila dumating ako no, the other day.
This is our second adventure for the day.
Kanina, we had an adventure already. So this is the second one. And yeah, oo, pwede balian ko na akong water. They have water over there. So, I wanna change my water kasi ano siya, hindi ako sparkling, hindi ako nag-enjoy, hindi ako so, ano to siya na water? To, ano, drinking water na to. O potable, nakalagay doon, oh. O potable. Ayan, oh. There. Trinkwater. O potable. Aqua potable. To. Potable siya. So we can drink. Ay, Mira. There's a, may ano. May coins if you.
And then may baso pa.
There.
But how we can do that like this?
It's a bit over there. I think. I don't know. Siguro matangkad sila. Makain ka, Sel! Yeah, we have. She'll ask. Look at the. You see the mountain? And she's asking where are we going. Seems like he doesn't know. Parang hindi niya alam. Ito yung mga matanda na kasakay namin. So, I don't know where they go. So, hindi namin alam. Actually, wala pa kami alam. But, it's an adventure. So, kaya lang yan. So, guys, we're at the quest to find the tourist info. Kasi di namin, wala kaming maps, wala kaming internet. But, habang naglakad kami, I'll show you around ng Appenzell town. This is the town called Appenzell. Ulit. So, yeah. Ang kita niyo yan. Ang ganda na blue house. There. And that's my two sisters. Yeah. And I have a house. Hanap kami ngayon. Ayan, may konti silang shops. And there. Tapos, ayan. Sinusundan namin tong mga nakasama tours. And look at that. So cute over there. Ay, sorry. Asan na yung ano ko? There.
What else?
Thank you so much. So, sundan kita niya. So, this beautiful town, small town. Yan ang mga shops na little shops. And then, some good friend. So there, I think with the flag of Switzerland. This is the town. Yung mga shops nila. Yeah. There. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Nagpakaiana ka pa nga itong babae. Nasa yun, hindi ka na natapod. And then there's an Appenzell Hotel. Oh, we should have. But and yan na. So yun nga, yung punta namin dito. Punta kaming tourist information kasi nakalimutan na ni Cecil yung way sa kung saan kami mag-hike. And lahat kami walang internet. I can connect naman, but I don't want to. Anyway, I think it's closed now because it's 12. Oh no. Pamili ng tanala.
Vietnamese kitchen.
Guys, nahanap na namin ang way and we had to buy internet connection. Data. Para kasi it's 12:30 na and based on Google, kay Kuya Google, 3 hours ang hike. So darating kami dun
Hindi pa nga yun talaga totally hike. Parang
walking lang yan.
may sa taas.
So 3 hours kami doon. And paakyat, pababa 3 hours. So, anong ha? So, kailangan na bumili ng ng connection, ng data kasi
Tapos wala pa kaming ticket pa uwi ng St. Gallen.
So, ticket St. Gallen. So, pwede kayo maglakad mamaya. Ilang oras? Up and south to St. Gallen.
9 hours.
Ha?
9 hours.
By walking?
Oo.
Oh, shit. Sorry. Hindi kaya yun ng powers. Ano na talaga, dilapidated na and everything.
Bang kaya kung...
Papayat sila, papayat kami.
Pilitin na ang uod kasi payat na palit.
So, that's it. And, I'll show you kung saan kami naglalakad. There. 3 hours lang naman, guys. Ang walking namin. May dala kaming maliit na water. May refill station yun. May refill station ata. So, yes. Tapos yan, may mga ranch. Kaso mga taken na sila, wala na akong pwedeng ibenta. Para sana magkaroon kami ng bahay dito. You see the houses over. Show you later kung may makita kaming. Maganda na siya. Pero, I'm pretty sure may mas maganda mamaya. So, betayin ka! Abit mo, hindi maglakad. We're tired. Pero nasa ano pa ka rin kami. Road, hindi pa kami nakakaapak ng yung dirt na pang hiking, yung alam mong nagka-hike ka na talaga. But ito yung view namin. There, my sister and the mountain, pero natutunaw na yung snow, pakunti ng pakunti. And then there are the houses there. And then, my sister's 1 kilometer away from us kasi busy kasi selfie. And, ngayong walk na to 3 hours. Tapos, if magsiselfie kami nang magsiselfie, bukas kami darating. So, no, we have to keep on moving. And, hi, water, pwede uminom? Yan. Ano na, actually dry na ang lips ko. But it's closed. May bako do. How can we drink? Pero look at that. How can we drink? It's closed. I wanted. Gusto kong minom. Pero sarado. Mayroon pa nga ito, iba? Okay, meron pa naman doon. Yung sister ko, ano na siya, nag-hike na siya before, so she's been here. She's been here. So, siya yung tour guide namin. Pero kanina kasi, hindi niya maalala kung saan yung starting point. Tapos sarado. Munta kaming tourism. Sarado. Hindi namin naabutan. Para kumuha sana ng maps. So, yun.
Yung isang sister namin,
Ano pa siya? Busy ka selfie. Uy, inom tayo ng water kasi it's so sunny. Dehydration.
Yes.
Alright. So, meron kaming mga baon na lang maliit na water kasi nga i-refill lang namin ito. Yung ganito. So, where are we now? Wait. You want to Ibinal?
We want what?
Ibinal?
You went up?
No.
Ah.
No, there is still some snow over there.
Ah.
You can go, but it's cold and
We want snow. We don't have snow in the
yeah,
Philippines.
then you can go up.
Thank you. Bye. So, update guys.
Too cold.
Too cold? Thank you.
Thank you.
So yan.
Enjoy.
I don't know if we can take water kasi meron siyang parang fence. Inom kita. So guys, update. Dito pa rin kami pero nangangamoy tae ng baka. Amoy poop.
Amoy pupit baka.
But anyway, I'll drink water over here. So, you see. Kailangan ko na uminom kaya kanina pa kita nagbibinaktas. Rusty man ini.
Rusty?
Ayaw na ko pag inom. Kami na. May water ako dito. Kaya lang sparkling. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yung dalawa naming nakasalubong.
Tapos too cold pa kung halik.
Too cold pa halik. Doesn't matter. Kailangan natin maabutan by 3 o'clock nga to kay halik. That's when it's 3 o'clock, it's the hottest. Ay, look, there's an eagle flying over there. And 3 o'clock namin maabutan, mainit. So, pwede kami pwede kami mag-swimming kahit sobrang lamig. Kahit frozen lang lake. But, look at that. Eagle. Do you see it? I don't see it from the camera. Yeah. There. Something flying over there. That's an eagle. Yung isa kong kapatid na busy ka-selfie. And this is an update lang. So guys, yan. We went up tapos yung road pala is baba. Kaya we're just going to this one. Hala, kita na good na ano ko. Look at that. Magganito na lang. Kasi we're so very tired na tapos 2 hours pa. Nauna pa yung yung sister ko kagaling-galing. Yeah. And we're still here. And oh my gosh, I can't even stand. Okay. Balak kong I wanted to just roll over. Kaso hindi man. I didn't slide. Yung foot ko. Okay. There. Ano lang. Galing. Sel, paano ka umagi? Paano ka umagi? Wala ni kuryente? Wala? Bagang live wire. Scary. Ah? Paano ka lumusot? Panabit? Okay guys. Lusot tayo. Aray! Agi kita nananangit itak nananangit itak mabado. So, success. We were in the kaya pala, imagine that we were that high. Sobrang So, ngayon medyo okay na. Kasi kanina paakyat ang kapagod. So, catching up our breath. So, and kapoy mag-vlog, uy. Sige, later na lang. Ha? Nag-on? So guys, yun na nga. Update. Sayang. Hindi na on yung funny moments kanina. Umiihi. Nakaswimsuit pala siya. One piece. Kaya nakaihi na sila. Kakain na ako ng tinapay. Tapos, di namin alam kung asan na kami. Kasi, hindi namin sinunod si Google Maps. So, yan na yung dito na kami sa woods.
So, I think we have to cross the bridge.
Hi, ni abit.
Beth!
And, over there. Wait, let's check Google Maps.
Beth!
Hindi naman ito nakita eh. Ay, oo. Andalan. So, guys, after naman mag-ikot-ikot ng 1 hour, nandito kami, nakaakyat. So, ito na, yung hiking. Look at that.
Actually, pwede na ni consider na ni
Ay, king kita na lang
Oh,
view.
let's go back na. I cannot this anymore.
Wala kita lake, tapos balik na kita.
Oo.
Dito, as pa itong TV na.
Halik na lang kita.
Tuman, kasi ito view.
You see the view? You see the view, guys? Yeah, walang view. Hindi marunong mag-camera. Yes. There. You see that? Ganda. The mountain. And look at me. So pagod. I'm sweating. Sweating so much. And San? Yung isa, super picture together. As there's a view. I'm sweating. I need to remove my...
Actually, pag-start pa lang namin. Pag-start pa lang namin.
Ito pa lang yung start actually. Pang, ano pa to? Yung saan? Parang 1 hour kami bago nahanap yung road na to. Kasi si Google, yung binibigay niya na road.
Yung kalsada.
Yung kalsada. And, ba't ka pa nag-hiking kung kalsada dadaanan mo, diba? Wala to si Google Maps eh. So, nahirapan kaming hanapin to. I know. I'm dying. Ay, so hot. Tapos nakaitim pa ako. Ay, cannot. Pero, the view is super worth it. I'll show you. You see? That's the view.
Nag-snow pa nga dun eh. Sa harapan lang
You see?
namin.
Yes. Tapos, yun nga, nakain na namin
Lahat ng baon.
yung baon namin. Tapos, sabit yun. Oh. Silvia, look at that. There's a road. From there. Sabi ko na eh, dapat pinalo natin yan. Ito siya oh. Sa Wandover. Yan guys, update lang. Show you later pag andan na kami. So this is it. So we're walking towards that mountain. That mountain. That you see that? So pretty like me. Charot. Joke lang oy. Tapos, yan pa sila. Picture ulit.
Hindi mapulidid.
Hi, there.
You polluted, I cannot polluted.
Yeah.
Dito na lang. Ay, kapaso. Wala, lusulos ang takli ko din. Ano, balhat.
Tissue bit, wala nga natin ano?
May tissue daw?
Hala mo pa yan, dida. Siliwas, dida. Iwas.
May tissue daw, lusulos ang
Nawara, anak, tissue. Tijak na di anay.
Ano nga nawara?
Ambot.
Ano man adi?
Awada. Ano nang mga basura nga dara? Tijak din basura.
Makaon na ako.
Haon na.
Ito na lang kita, like mo uping ito kumaon.
Taralig kita.
Ay,
Ay,
naman nakaura.
o reels kita, dali.
Naka-on ito.
Naka-on?
Kami lang ang nag-hike na tanghali na nag-start.
Nagdidala.
Ay, kay kaninan aga gya, mahagkot. Dito dato na to kaya. Mahalo pa dito yung tissue bit.
May wide lens nga nila na akong camera. Dapat din gamit doon wide lens.
Welcome to Switzerland.
Kaso pag wide lens kasi pangit.
Dad,
Dadan, dadadadadadan. See?
mga tsura namin.
Ano inin? Pang reels. Dembese. Taran. 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 Guys, update. So Sage says danke. Which is thank you. Meron dito maliit na ano. Yan. There. So 1 hour and a half pa kami. So nakakalahati na kami. Kasi kanina 3 hours yun. And it's so hot. It's so hot and it's so cold. But the view is worth it. So push na lang natin. Push natin kasi maliligo kami sa lake. Guide kami. Kain muna tayo. Vlog. Kala niya? Hindi ko nakikitaan. Kain ko pibili ito. Ano pa na pagkaon, bet? Kalo ko ta. Kumit ka na, empanada? Okay. Ayaw. Naubos na niya kanina. Ay, nilalo kita sir. Marayo. No. Pag-hits na lang kita tayo ba? No, bet. Ani, time-lapse ta. Habang may natitira pang... Hindi, may camera na nga ito. Ha, naka-time-lapse ito? Yes, eh. Kaya pwede may time-lapse. Time-lapse. Ito na siya. Ano kanina na kon? Okay. Mami nga mga betara light din eh. Maupilit eraan. Tira plug yun. Mami nga. Bigyan liat siguro ka na. Suga din fly palit niya. Dili na suga din ikaw pa ito. Kaya waring nga tubukin. Flat. Ipapagkatukitan mo karsada. Tapos? Di datas nga dito. Sugad. Adi naman ah. Hindi na nakatawa. Ito dyan. Wait lang. Ito ba? Cable wire. But, pag lusad tayo ng pagkaan. Ano mo ito? Chocolate. Rani na la, 5 kilometers la. Pero rayo-rayuan no. 5 kilometers ko, rani ang lahat ano. Tapos ibinat na pagod ni diri line ni Sopsi. Pero rayo-rayuan na natin. Feeling ko nag-inakit kita no. 5 kilometers, ano ko la ito. My gosh, ano ko la ito? 5,000 steps. Pati kang kita din. Dito dito ubos. Kita nga dito. Unto ko dito na igbang? I think so. Ay, dito kita nag-picture. Ito man na magad ano. I'm not sure na. Ay, diri. Dito kita taubos na gini ha. Dito kita naubos na may mga forest. Libot-libot. 30 minutes kita nga. At man may da. Iba. Kaso makaradlo. Stiff masyado. Wala ka nag-fight. Bang na siya magkalibig. Silip siya dito nga mangga. Yan maging sa Russellsburg.
Hindi na ram yun eh. Ayaw na, di na mabit sa butang.
The most traveled and the most traveled.
Bangga.
Philippine mango. Picture it, Jella, nga di.
Adin this
And may background. Hindi na may ano. Mas was Alps.
Sa Japan, hatag daw tubig.
Di man yan nakakainom damo.
Kaya,
Wala siyang basa.
Dili pa nga ni hinog kay mag-green pa.
Picture yan eh, Sil.
Ah, nagay mga ano ako.
Pero nabunog na.
Sige na picture ako.
Kadi, picture ng... Dapat naman i-abit ito yung mangga. Kay YouTube, our travel companion. Tapos picture pa pag-abot alito niya. Dapat kada bansa ito yung picturean niyo, no?
Ano man ka nagta-travel, di rin ano.
Jack.
Kadi. Diyan na po yung mga open.
Kaya di rin nalata.
Hindi na lata. Hindi na lata.
Kalahay man trahasa hiniti Jack.
Bagat Sprite nga waray tubig. Nga waray.
Baga ni waray, Sprite na waray tamis.
Maray tamis. Amo, hindi ko madamatak na inom. Pero okay lang, kaya di lo takin ihi.
Actually, ano na